finance industry because I'm not trying to just look at boring numbers all the time, dude. I gotta have fun, so I'm having fun with this, and I got more fun at store. So you just strap in, dude. This is all the code you can see. I also ask it for the sentiment change because I think that's very interesting to see. Okay, what's the sentiment change over the next 15 minutes or every time I run it, right? Because I don't know if it's able to catch it that fine tuned. I don't know too much about the Hugging Face model. I used it probably 2 years ago, and yeah, I haven't been back to it just because.
BTCOI up 0.499% in 10 MEP from 8.6932 billion to 8.7366 billion.
By the way, this is the whale agent that we built yesterday. So right now it's just a voice agent as well. But I think these voice agents are super helpful because I don't want to be flipping through screens and like doing all this stuff in order to just see what the if there's any whales or what the sentiment is. I want to just be able to hear that and still step on the gas. I just want cursor open all day with the AI open, and I want to hear the things I need to hear, you know? So I think this is a very cool way to start this off. To just have these audio agents that are telling us data that are needed, and that data is the same data that's needed to trade off of. So if I build these agents to start like this sentiment and this one as audio, it has all of the routing, all the gutter stuff needed in order to be a trading agent too. So double win there. That's fire. Analyze and announce sentiment here. You can see we're announcing the sentiment change. Here you can say if it's very positive, slightly positive, or slightly negative, and that could be changed up as well. It looks like we're able to change the scores. We can change the sayings, of course. And yeah, dude, I'm excited to see what you build because I'm just on day zero with this, and now we have this agent, and we could use it for any type of use, dude. And you have all of the code because if I have the code, you have the code, dude. I believe code is a great equalizer. I believe if this gets you excited to learn how to code, that's gonna change your life. Get tweets, dude. Get tweets. This is how we get the tweets. So I think that's a huge win too for everybody. You know how to get tweets now. I just battled with it for 4 or 5 hours and now you get it for free. Let's get it, dude. We're on line 357. So there's a lot of code here, but I also will make sure that it's in the GitHub, of course. And then every day I'm just going to keep pushing new stuff to the GitHub. So I hope you star it. I hope you fork it. I hope you run it to the moon, dude, because there are so many ideas that are you're able to execute on because I've already built so much stuff and now I'm just building for these agents, dude, and I'm doing it in public. So you could let your agents get. I'm Moondev. I build trading bots chasing the same edge Jim Simons used to build a net worth of $31 billion. But I believe code is the great equalizer. And these people figured that out. They're real people, real profits, hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me. I'm asking you to trust them. moondev.com/discord. Message anyone. Ask them yourself. Become a friend.